Another part of the equivalent fraction is what we call writing fractions in their simplest forms. This is the first question, 20 over 64. Remember, equivalent fraction is all about multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. So to write them in their simplest forms, I need to keep on dividing by the same number until I cannot divide any further. Let me show you an example with this 20 over 64. If you look at 20 and 64, I can divide both of them by 2. So I'm going to divide this by 2, and I'll divide it by 2. So if I do that, 20 divided by 2 is 10, 64 divided by 2 is 32. I can divide again by 2, so divide here also by 2. If I do that, that gives me 5 over 16. There is no common factor for 5 and 16. So 20 over 64 ends at 5 over 16. That is the answer. Now, let's solve for 64 and 128. And to do that, I just have to write them out here. 64 over 128. Divide by 2, since 2 is the smallest number that can divide them. Do it little by little, you get your answer all the time. If I divide 64, I'm going to get 32. If I divide this, I'm going to get 64. I can divide again by 2. Divide here by 2 and divide here by 2. Let's do it. 2 divide 32 is 16 and 2 divide 64 is 32. Alright, let's divide further. Here is easy, I can break it down. There are two 16s in 32. So this is 2 and this is 1. 16 divided 16 is going to give me 1 and 32 divided by 16 is going to give me 2. So the answer to this question is 1 upon 2. This is really easy. Let's look at this one. 15 divided by a particular number is equal to 1 over 3. Let's see. For 15 to change to 1, it means we divided 15 by 15, right? So to get it back, I'm going to say 3 times 15, right? Because when you divide this number by 15, you get 3. So 3 times 15 is 45. This number is 45. What about this one? How will you check? 27 changes to 3. This means that we have divided 27 by 9. So I'm going to say 1 times 9 will give me 9. The number missing in this box is 9. So this is 9 over 27. I hope you enjoyed this style of working. Please give us a thumb up if you really like this video. Thanks for watching.